Now I will study the next chapter of next topic of mathematics. Understand? In previous class we studied about what is the importance of mathematics and many more. In this class I will study about some more basic terms of mathematics. Marker. I came here for study, but I didn't know what is the topic that is discussed, that I am going to discuss in this class, and where is the marker also I don't know. What kind of teacher I will become? I don't know where is the marker. Where I keep the marker, I don't know about that. Now, forget this kind of things. I am searching where is the marker. So just I am saying to you all that in the previous class we studied about what is the importance of mathematics and studied what is digit and how numbers are found with the help of digits. I understand about that things. Now I will study more about numbers and also operations and also of operations, about operations. Where is the marker? I didn't know about that. Oh, what? I got that. I got. Now I am little happy because I found marker. Now I will teach you all without any obstacles. So in previous class we studied and we discussed about mathematics. Understand about mathematics. In this class I also learned about what is mathematics, about also mathematics. Understand? So in previous class we studied about digit, and with the help of digit we can form many kinds of numbers, and we also understand about odd number and even or odd number, and I also discussed about two kind of number, that is prime number and whole number that start with 1 and count to and go infinite, that called is prime natural number, and the number which start with 0 and extend till infinite, it's known as whole number. Understand? Now I am going to discuss about prime number. What is the prime number? I am telling about prime number. What is prime number? Understand? Prime number is a very simple concept. Not simple. Prime number. You will stand prime number. You can see. Just think about prime number. Prime number is a master number. You can say as a hero, Badshah of mathematics. Shahanshah, king of mathematics, is known as all numbers. We have many numbers, but the but every we have many numbers, but natural number but prime number is a unique number of everyone. It is a it is a masterpiece, it is a king. Understand? Because prime number is that kind of number which is not divisible of anyone. It is also done, it is only divisible by 1 and itself, only divisible by 1 and itself, except 1 or itself. No, there are no any number exist on the planet that is cut any prime numbers. What I am saying, just think about that. We have 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, many numbers that is known as prime number. If you will think about this kind of numbers, it is that kind of number that is only divisible by 1 and itself. They except 1 and itself, there are no any number that is divisible that can divide this kind of numbers. Understand? We have many numbers that is also divisible by 1 and itself, many numbers that is divisible by many numbers. There are many digits and many numbers that are exist on the planet which cut many numbers, but in all these numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, this kind of number that is not that kind of numbers is not divisible by anyone except 1 and itself. Understand? So it is called master numbers. No, I am just I am just kidding. It is not a master number. Just I am trying to say it is not written. Master number is that kind of not know any language and statements written on your notebook. Understand? No any mathematics books are written in this kind of languages. I am just telling you about this that because you can see many numbers, because this number is different from every numbers. This number is different from every numbers. Yet you can see about these numbers. It is know that in Hindi, in Telugu, in India, one film released, that name is Puspa. I think you have seen about this movie. That Puspa movie and Puspa 2 movie. In that movie, hero name is Allu Arjun. Movie of Allu Arjun that says, I will not, this kind of body language uses and say some statements that I will not many statements that now I am discussing about prime numbers. 7 and 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. This kind of numbers is prime numbers. Understand? Prime number is a number that is only divisible by 1 and itself. There are no any other number that divide this kind of numbers. It is called prime numbers. Understand? If we found prime numbers, you have many times seen in your notebook, in your books, one table we formed. How to determine, to construct, to put out all prime numbers from 1 to 100. It is a process. What is the process behind that? We make a table. Understand? In this table, we put 1 to 100 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am making numbers again. Just see what I am doing. I am doing very in detail way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am written down all my digits. After that I will start this video. I have written 1 to 100 counting numbers, and now I am going to put out all the prime numbers from this 1 to 100. Understand? This table is this table is also written on your mathematics books. Understand this? Just see what is the process that I can construct all prime numbers from this table. Understand? First of all, 1 is the kind of number that is um also divisible by 1 and itself is only 1. What is the definition of prime numbers? Prime number definition is a number is divisible by 1 and itself. But if we talk about 1 is both thing itself. So 1 is you can say 1 as a prime number or not. It is not a big deal, because 1 is that kind of number that not help in anything. If you will multiply with any number by 1 is number itself, it will number become itself. If we divide also any numbers with 1 by 1, it will not change anything. If you will multiply and add, just not not make big differences. So 1 you have to say or not say, it is depends on conditions. First of all, you round 2 and cut all the numbers from till 100 that is divisible by 2. What I am saying? Round, make a circle on around 2 and see what is number written next in what is the number written in this table which is divisible by 2. That is, cross all the even numbers which is divisible by 2. Understand? And do next part. It is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 87, 8, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98 and 100. What I did, I round 2, I make circle around 2 and crosses all the numbers which is divisible by 2. Now next part, we follow same thing. We follow same thing for 3 also. We follow same thing for 3 also. What I will do? I circle 3. I will make circle 3 and cut all the number that is divisible by 3. That is 9, 15, 21, 27, 33, 39, 45, 51, 57, 63, 69, 75, 81, 87, 88, 93, 99. What I did, I circled 3 and cutted all numbers that is divisible by 3. Now the next part, next number is 5. Now I circle 5 and I will cut all the numbers that is divisible by 5. Understand? What is the number? That is 25. Now 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 55, 65, 85 and 95. All these numbers is cutted is divisible by 5 also. Now the 7. We have drifted 7 numbers. I will cut all the numbers that is divisible by 7 also. Understand? So now I started cutting these numbers. So now the number is divisible by 7. 49, 77 and 91. No. Now we have number 11 and cut all the number that is divisible by 11. Only the number divisible by 11 is that kind of number that is repeated number. All the number that is divisible by 11 is already cutted. Now I will see the 13 divisible by 13. The number is divisible by 13 is, what is the number? All the numbers are cutted. 17, 19, all numbers are cutted. 23, 29, cutted. 37, I take many number. 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89. One thing, I think 89 can cut from anybody. No. 97. Understand? Now I am going to write down every prime number that is comes from 1 to 100. 23, 29, 31. Understand? 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Now 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. I think we have remembered that in 1 to 100 there are 25 numbers, that is prime numbers. Let's count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh my god, I left it 2. 2 is also a prime number, no? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. Yes, of course, I written correctly. Understand, we have a table. With the help of this table we put out every prime number that is comes from 1 to 100. From 1 to 100 we have many, not many, we have 25 prime numbers, that is 2 to 97. This all numbers is known as prime number. That if you will construct, if you will divide any number that is not divisible by 1 and itself, that is not divisible by all the numbers, it is only divisible by 1 and itself only. So that it's all numbers is said that it is a master number. Not said according to me, it is a master number. It is a hero, big star, it is a star number. Why? Because it is only divisible by 1 and itself. 1, what is the representation of 1? 1 is God. God is single, 1. And a man who is not, which cannot destroyed from anyone, who cannot do anything. A man which cannot do anything, which cannot did anything. Only God is the person that do anything for anybody, and a man who is a man itself only. A man itself do. A man is itself. A man do anything by own and on for or with the help of God. Understand? I know I am not speaking well. What I am trying to say, I am not able to speak clearly. But very soon. What I teaches you all today, I know I take much time for this. It is a not topic that is think much for that time is not its many times, but I know that but just I am trying to do. Just think about that. Prime number is a very good number for every number. I personally love that number because this number is a hero. I said this number is a hero number because it cannot it is not divisible for anyone. Understand? In today's life, relationships becomes very easy. A boy and a girl, which is like a gold digger type, girl and boys are not committed for one. Girl loves many boys at a time. That all numbers, this is of that kind of numbers. But we have to become like a prime number. We all persons have to become like a prime number because prime number is a star number. But many people are not trying to become prime numbers. They are saying don't go in the serious relationship, true love, because if we will enter in true love, you will got problems. You have to face problems and you have to cry, and I think it's 99.9999% true. But what? It's mean we will become like a animal? No. People doing, but I will not do. Why I do same thing? What is doing everyone? What I am speaking? No, I have to stop myself uh, over there, because not I am teaching life skill. I will speak about about life also, but currently I am teaching about prime numbers, and the concept of prime number is, understand what I said to you. The prime number is a number that is only divisible by 1 and itself, and which is this kind of numbers. Prime number, what is the prime number? 1, 2 to 27, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 90, 97, 90, 67, 91, 73, 97, 79, 83, 89 and 73. All these numbers is known as prime numbers, understand. Except these numbers, what is cutted over there is all known as composite number. Composite number, we have two numbers, that is prime number and composite number. All number that is in a circle is known as prime number, and all number that is crossed is known as composite number. If you will see two kind of numbers, you will see in 1 to 100 and so on, understand. First is prime number and second is composite number. A number is divisible by 1 and itself only is known as prime number, and a number is divisible by 1 and itself many numbers with 1 and itself also it is divisible. 1 and itself is that kind of number that is divides every number. There are no any number that exists on the planet that is not divisible by 1 and itself. Every number, that is what kind of number that is it also divisible by 1 and itself, every number. But a number is divisible by every numbers, not no, sorry number is divisible by many numbers is known as composite number, and a number is divisible by 1 and itself only is known as composite numbers, understand. Prime numbers. Oh, we have discussed about today prime and composite numbers, understand. Now I will stop. I am going to stop my class today because I took target of 30-minute videos every day. You will got 30-minute video every day. In previous few days I have not recorded videos because I am not free, and I was little tired because my daily routine is disturbed for some reasons. I cannot explain about that. I don't want to say about that, because few moments of everybody's life is a dark phase type things. So people want to forget all kind of scenes what happens in their life. Something that kind of things happens and currently also happening in my life. I don't want to remember that kind of things, and if you will I will speak there, then it will become unforgettable thing, because I am going to upload this video on YouTube, and when I will upload this video on YouTube, I will not forget this thing. I don't know what I am doing here. I will got success or not, I don't know, but still I am doing. So I am stopping this video right now. Again I will meet you all next time, understand. Bye bye.